Now our major topic is operators. Python is having a lot of operators and it is very rich in operators. The operators in Python are more powerful than compared to other languages, like previous languages like C, C++, and Java. These are arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponent, then division and floor division and modulus. Now assignment operator. With assignment there are different type of operators are there, like that I'll just read out. Okay, I'll just read out. Then unary minus operators are there. Then a relational operator: less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to and not equal to. Logical operators: and or not. Boolean operators, that is true and false. Bitwise and or not, XOR, right shift and left shift. Membership operators are there. Identity operator, and some special operators are there. These are some special operators. And mathematical functions, actually these are the functions, and I have just kept them in the same table. So there are some mathematical functions for performing operations. We cannot learn about all these operators in a single lecture. We will be learning about them whenever we will be using them. Okay, they are useful at different places. So I will explain about those operators and then I will use them. So in this lecture, I'll be discussing detail about arithmetic operators. Okay, let us talk about arithmetic operators. Here is the list of arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, then power, that is exponent, or float division, then floor division, and modulus. So I'll explain you what these operators are. Alright, we will understand the working of all these operators so that we can use them easily. By understanding them thoroughly, we can use them easily. So let us start. So for explanation, I will take some example variables. I will take one variable A, that is with value 15, and variable B with value 4. Now first operator, addition operator. If you write A plus B, this means add the value of variable A and B, that is 15 plus 4, you get 19. So I can store the result in some other variable C. So the value of C will be 19. So diagrammatically, if you want to see how it looks like in the memory, A is holding value 15 and B is holding value 4. Now they are added together. We get a separate variable C and a new object is created, that is with value 15 plus 4, that is 19. So this is how it looks like in the memory. So C contains 19. So plus will add the values. That's it. So there is nothing to explain. This is a very simple operator. Now similarly, subtraction is also very simple. When you say C assign A minus B, so the value of A is how much? 15. Value of B is how much? 4. So 15 minus 4. So the result of this will be 11. Right? Now coming to next, multiplication. C assign A multiplied by B. So this gives the result 15 into 4. The value is 16. So these are simple operation. Now these operations I have to explain them more detail. Power operator. What is power operator? Let us see this one, or exponent operator. When I write C assign A double star I have to take, or double asterisk I have to take, B. So this is power B. So this means what? 15 power 4. This means 15 power 4. A is 15 and B is 4. So this becomes 15 power 4. So 15 power 4 means 15 into 15 into 15 into 15. So 15 is multiplied 4 times. So 15 is multiplied 4 times. If you multiply it using calculator, you can get the result. Like this one, 15 is 225, and this also is 225. Alright. So 15 square is 225 into 225 is 50625. Right? That's the result. So this is 15 multiplied 4 times gives 50,625. That's the result. So power gives this one. I'll take one more example and explain. If I write C assign 10 power 3. So this means, mathematically, this means 10 cube. So this is nothing but 10 into 10 into 10. So how much this is? This is 1000. Yes, this is 1000. So this is a power operator which will make the second operand as a power of first operand. So first operand will become base and the second operand will become power. Now let us understand this float division and floor division. I will remove this and I will explain. Here I have variables a as 15 and b as 4. When I write C assign a divided by b. So this means what? 15 divided by 4. So 15 divided by 4, if I do it using pen and paper, 15 divided by 4. 4 3 times, so that is 12. So what is remaining? 3 is remaining. Now decimal point here, so 0 is added here, included, right? 0 is appended. Now 4 7s 28. Now remainder is 2. Now as already we have taken decimal point, so again include 0 here, so this becomes 20. Now 4 5s 20. So 20. Now it is completely divided. So what is the quotient we got? We got 3.75. 3.75 is the answer. See, this is a dividend, right? Numerator is called as dividend, and this is a divisor. The denominator of division is called as divisor, and when we divide we get a quotient, that is the answer. And here there is nothing remain, so actually remainder is 0, nothing is remaining. When you subtract 20 minus 20, nothing is remaining, right? So this was subtraction, so there is nothing remaining. All right, this is a remainder, all right. So what is the answer of a divided by b? A divided by b is 3.75. This is the answer. All right, so this is called as float division. This single operator, single slash, is called as float division. Why it is called as float division? Let us understand this. See, I have the value a as 15. This is an integer value, and the value of b is 4. That is also an integer value. I am dividing two integers, but the result I am getting it as float because it is dividing completely with when the remainder is 0. It stops dividing when the remainder is 0, so definitely it will have a decimal point. So this gives the result as float. So this is called as float division. Now let us check the next operator, that is floor division. What is this? I will remove this. Now C assign a floor divided by b. So here a is 15, floor divided by 4. So how it is divided? This is 15 and this is 4. This is a dividend, this is divisor. Now 4 3s 12, and when you subtract, answer is 3, remainder is 3, right? Now what is this? Quotient. This is the quotient. All right, now shall I take decimal point and continue? No, don't take decimal point. Stop here itself. Don't try to divide it until it becomes 0. Leave this remainder as it is. So this is the quotient that we got. So what is the answer for this one? 3 is the answer. So what is the answer in the form of integer? This is 3. This is not 3.0. So the answer is 3. So this division gives the result in integer form. It will not divide until it gets 0. It will not take decimal point. That's it. This is a floor division. So when you are dividing two integer number, then the result is integer only. Now let us come into the last operator, that is mod. C assign a mod b. So a is 15 and b is 4. So this gives what? Again it divides, but this time it doesn't give the quotient. Actually it gives remainder. This value, it gives this value, remainder. So this is 3. So it means in case of floor division, it will not take decimal point and gives the quotient, and mod means it will perform the division similar to floor division, but it will not give quotient, it will give the remainder. All right, so I'll take one more example then show you. See, if I have variables with a value x is 21 and y is 4. When I take z assigned with x floor division y, so what is the answer? When 21 is divided by 4, so 4 5s 20, and when you subtract, remainder is 1. So what is the answer of x floor division of y? Answer is 5. And what is the result of x mod y? X is 21, y is 4. Then mod is what? This one, remainder. So mod operator gives remainder. So result of this one is 1 and the result of this one is 5. That's it. I'll give you the demonstration for this one and you practice that same thing. So let us go to IDLE. I take variable a, that is 15, variable b, that is 4. Now c assign a plus b. What is the value of c? 19. C assign a minus b. The value of c is 11. C assign a multiplied by b. So the answer is 60. Now if I take power a power b, then answer is 50,625. Then if I take c assign a divided by b, then c value is 3.75. We got a float result. Alright. Now if I say c floor divide b, then c is 3. Now you can see here that this was having a decimal point, so this was a float number, but there is no decimal point here. It is not 3.0, it is just 3. So it means this is an integer division. Now if I take c a mod b, the result is what? 3. Alright. Now I will take the variables a as 21 and x as 21, y as 4. Then if I say z assign x floor division y, so what is the value of z? It is 5. If I say z assign x modulus of y, then the result is what? 1. So that's it. Whatever I have explained, I have given the demonstration for this one. You can take different values and you can try them. Alright. So in the next lecture, we will learn more about arithmetic operators over different data types. That's all in this lecture.